Hello children. Today we are learning alphabets. Pink color, dark green color, sea green color, parrot green color, orange color, red color, dark green color. A for apple. A. B for ball. B. Pink color. C for car. D for doll. Red color. E for elephant. F for fish. F. Sea green color. G for grapes. H for hen. H. I for ice cream. J for jug. J. Blue color. K for kite. K. L for lamb. Brown color. M for mango. M. N for nest. N. Parrot green color. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. Sky blue color. T for tub. U for umbrella. U. Black color. V for van. W for watermelon. Red color. X for xylophone. Y for H. Y. Z for zebra. Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.